Welcome to Crypto Classroom, the #1 YouTube channel for learning about the latest trends in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. At Crypto Classroom, our main goal is to equip our audience with the knowledge needed to excel in the dynamic and fast-paced cryptocurrency landscape. In today's video, we're going to explain why owning at least 400 Theta tokens is a smart long-term play. We will be doing a deep dive into how Theta works, some of its key features, and analyzing tokenomics so that you can make a realistic price prediction. Be sure to stick around to the end so you don't miss a thing. Let's get into it. What is Theta? It's a native blockchain that features an open-source protocol that allows developers and partners to create decentralized applications on the network just like on Ethereum. Another interesting feature of Theta is that it's a decentralized peer-to-peer video delivery network that runs on blockchain technology, which allows for free high-bandwidth content delivery. The cool thing about Theta is that as users watch videos, a portion of their PC's computing power is used to relay those videos to other users while primary users earning tokens as a reward. We can see now that Theta is aiming at becoming the next generation of entertainment technology by providing a decentralized video streaming platform at a lesser cost to existing centralized platforms like Twitch. Theta is a peer-to-peer video streaming platform that is powered by its users, offering different types of content including movies, TV series, esports, and music. Mitch Liu, a serial entrepreneur, founded Theta in 2017. He is known as a co-founder of mobile gaming and online advertising startups, and Ji Long, an expert on virtual reality live streaming. Through a private token sale, the team behind Theta sold 30% of the supply, which is capped at 1 billion units. From this, they were able to raise $20 million to kickstart Theta Labs, which oversees the Theta Network and its own streaming site, Theta.tv. Viewers on the site are rewarded with T-Fuel to watch video content, which as it is being watched is streamed to other viewers using a portion of the primary user's processing power. Included on Theta Network's advisory board are Twitch co-founder Justin Kana, YouTube co-founder Steve Chen, and a number of senior executives from Verizon. Theta's blockchain network has a peer-to-peer protocol as its foundation. This enables participants to get rewards in the form of real-time payments for distributing content. Developers can also use the network to build dApps as it is open source. Theta uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, kind of like Tinderman's blockchain protocol, which is based on staking. Those who wish to become validators must lock in large amounts of Theta tokens. Theta's network has three categories of participants. First, enterprise validator nodes, which are companies that stake Theta tokens in order to process transactions. There are some big industry names included like Sony, Talent Shop, Creative Artist Agency, Google, and Samsung. Validator nodes also act as the network's first line of defense, and participants are required to stake 1 million Theta coins. Second, guardian nodes. These are community nodes responsible for maintaining consensus by securing validation at predetermined points. They make sure that the transaction blocks created by enterprise validator nodes are performing with accuracy. This is like a second layer of security which stops a malicious block if it manages to slip through a validator node. Guardian nodes need only 1,000 staked Theta coins. Third, edge nodes, which allow users to relay video streams and share their bandwidth for streams on Theta.tv. This support they provide to the network are rewarded with T-Fuel. One of the unique features of the Theta network is allowing users to stream peer-to-peer, eliminating the need for a centralized content delivery network. Another unique feature that sets Theta apart from other projects is that it has two native tokens, T-Fuel and Theta. As mentioned earlier, users with edge nodes are rewarded with T-Fuel for the data that they stream. The service is free for end users as the content distribution is shouldered by the platform. Full video streaming is seldom done by edge nodes. Instead, they only do small increments, so end users are actually watching content streamed by multiple community nodes, similar to how BitTorrent works. Theta, which is the network's second native cryptocurrency, is a governance token designed for its management and future development. It has a fixed supply of 1 billion coins, minimizing the risk of inflation. Staking Theta coins are rewarded with T-Fuel. Keep in mind that a minimum of 1,000 tokens are required to become an eligible guardian node and 1 million tokens for the enterprise-level validator. Theta is aiming to transform the future of video delivery platforms by harnessing blockchain technology and its network of validators. It was developed to push its global network of users to create and and support a fully decentralized video streaming platform. Video streaming quality and loading times typically fail to meet viewer expectations, as despite the many great technological advances we've made, video streaming platforms and content distribution networks are held back by the limitations of server locations and centralized design. As demand for streaming quality is steadily increasing, Theta has set out to find the right balance between streaming quality and speed through its global user network that will relay videos by using their computing capacity and spare bandwidth. Naturally, as more users become active on the network, the more bandwidth will be available for streaming, which then increases the streaming speed and quality. As more nodes are enabled, content creators will gain more control over their content and its monetization, which of course would boost the network's popularity. Theta has gained much support from investors who are convinced that the future of shared video streaming platforms will be powered by blockchain technology. Theta has a lot in store with its upcoming mainnet 3.0 update, which will introduce T-fuel staking and uptime mining, making it one of the most anticipated protocol updates. With launch of this update, Theta's edge nodes will begin burning at least 25% of each T-fuel payment made to the network, which effectively removes those coins from circulation. To offset and minimize the chances of T-fuel inflation, smart contract and transaction fees will also be burned, which will add to its scarcity. On the other hand, the 3.0 mainnet launch will cause a slight jump in gas fees for the Theta protocol as the network attempts to match value with transaction volume on its blockchain. Although the fees before the update were near zero, and proposed increase would still be relatively low and cost-effective for smart contracts in dApps, with transaction fees of 0.3 T-fuel for send transactions, 20 T-fuel for deploying smart contracts, and 1 T-fuel for interactions. Increased gas fees will improve the network's security, especially against spam attacks that use small transactions to flood the network and bring block creation to a halt. It's hoped that increased gas fees will make such attacks too costly to launch. In the summer of 2021, mainnet 3.0 was launched, which features T-fuel staking and a temporary T-fuel sink on top of slight increases to the network and transaction fees. The permanent sink will contribute to the token's long-term deflationary model as more T-fuel is burned and permanently removed from circulation. The final goal is to achieve the most optimized and balanced state where T-fuel utility value is maximized and stabilized. According to projections, Theta will see an annual compounded growth rate of more than 21% from 2019 to 2024. Long-term growth is almost certain for Theta as blockchain and virtual reality technologies advance further. Theta has two goals: reducing the costs of streaming for content distribution networks and make distribution more seamless, which will benefit industry giants like Twitch, Netflix, and YouTube. This will sustain momentum for growth of fully decentralized content delivery platforms. Theta's 3.0 mainnet upgrade expands the Theta Drop NFT marketplace, which will help it gain market share in the booming NFT industry. Through licensing its platforms to third parties, coupled with other plans for expansion, should result in an upswing in smart contract interactions. It's predicted that NFT interactions with Theta smart contracts alone will hit 600,000 transactions per day, resulting in 250 million T-fuel being burned per year. This would negate most of the yearly T-fuel inflation. Once the update is launched, edge nodes will serve as decentralized storage spaces for NFTs, along with building cross-chain bridges between its own network, Ethereum, and other decentralized networks, which should help alleviate the high cost of NFT mining on the Ethereum network. The network will become more secure, scalable, and future-proof thanks to the mainnet 3.0 update, which in turn could lead to other initiatives in the industry. With its strategic partnership with Samsung VR and Twitch, Theta is in a good position to disrupt the video streaming industry with its blockchain technology. In summation, Theta is a software that aims to incentivize a global network of computers in order to form a decentralized video streaming platform. At present, CDNs or content distribution networks whose many servers are scattered across the globe fill this role, serving video streaming to end users. However, CDNs are costly to maintain or use and can be restricted by their physical location. Theta challenges the status quo with its global pool of users, forming a decentralized video streaming service powered by their spare bandwidth and computing capacity. Its open source nature will surely attract developers to join and build new applications and services. Theta also supports royalty distribution applications and crowdfunding mechanisms. What do you think? Does Theta have what it takes to disrupt the video streaming industry as we know it? Is Theta in your portfolio? We would love to hear your thoughts. Please feel free to drop a comment below. Lastly, please remember that we are not financial advisors at Crypto Classroom, and that these videos are for entertainment purposes only, and that you should always do your own research before investing in any crypto. If you enjoyed watching this video and value our insight here at Crypto Classroom, please feel free to click on one of the two videos showing on the screen right now. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to give it a like, click that subscribe button, and smash that notification bell so you won't miss out on our next videos. See you in the next video. Take care!